I've always had a laptop or another. My favorites being Dell and Acer, but the very first time I saw this laptop, I was quite in love with it. I've never used anything Asus. The design, the slickness, and display all point toward it being a fun little laptop, and it's now time to see if it does deliver on that promise. Hi YouTube, welcome back here. And for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and today we're going to have our first impressions, some basic things like how to reset your ASUS Vivobook model X1404Z. Or maybe we might even have time to look at how to get out of S mode and even stop OneDrive. This is not an unboxing, so we're not going to talk about what comes in the box or none of that, but we're going to look at some general descriptions of the ASUS Vivobook. The Vivobook 14 makes for a very good portable work laptop. Its compact size and low weight makes it easy to slip in and out of most backpacks, and the SSD ensures that window is quick to resume from sleep whenever you need it. It weighs only 1.40 kilograms, or let's just say 3 pounds, and the dimensions are 1279 inches by 842 by almost 1 inch in thickness. In other words, 32 centimeters by about 22 centimeters by almost 2 centimeters. Before diving into details, let's take a quick look at the specifications of ASUS Vivobook 14X1404V8 just for your convenience. Starting with the design, it is built with a plastic chassis, but the plastics are of high quality and it feels very sturdy. It comes in 3 or 4 color options: the terracotta, quiet blue, and cool silver. This here that we're looking at is the quiet blue. The display looks massive, mostly due to the slim bezels on 3 of its sides. The 14-inch display has a full HD, which has a resolution of 1920 by 1080p and a 16:9 aspect ratio with an IPS level and a 60 Hz refresh rate. Something else that really makes this a good work laptop is that comfortable keyboard. The keys aren't too noisy. There isn't any flex in the keyboard, even with rigorous typing. The keys have comfortable travel and are well spaced. The size of the trackpad is fairly generous and tracking is smooth. This model doesn't come with a fingerprint sensor, but it does have a number pad, which makes everything much easier when it's time to crunch numbers. To activate your number pad, simply tap the touchpad icon on the top right corner of the trackpad. As per ports, you get 3 full-size USB ports. Here on this side, you have 2 USB 3.2 Type A Gen 1 ports, a USB Type-C port, an HDMI output, a headphone or microphone combo on this side. On this other side, you have the third USB, which is a 2.0 port. With all these ports, it's easy to connect all your existing peripherals, displays, and projectors. Now, while this isn't a convertible laptop, the hinge does allow for the screen to be folded back up to 180 degrees. Its lay flat hinge makes it easy to share content with others or collaborate with a group of people around the table. ASUS also takes your privacy and security seriously. While you have a 720p HD camera, there's also a privacy shutter that slides over the webcam for instant privacy, shielding you from prying eyes and disturbances. There are 2 stereo speakers placed at the bottom on either side of the laptop. The bottom of this ASUS Vivobook is also equipped with a cooling vent system and large rubber fit, ensuring that the device is sturdy and non-slip during use. The rubber fit not only helps the device stand firm, but also improves its heat dissipation capability, reducing the risk of scratches or damage when placed on even surfaces. Now, this laptop does ships with a fuel manual and a 45-watt charger. The charger is a tiny square brick AC adapter, which is extremely portable with an output of 19 volt DC and a 2.37 amperes. ASUS Vivobook model 14X1404VA is equipped with a special feature. It has an antibacterial guard, provide antibacterial protection. This coating contains special silver ions applied to frequently touched surfaces such as the keyboard, touchpad, wrist rest areas, and fingerprint sensor. Scientific research has demonstrated that this feature can inhibit up to 99% of bacterial growth within 24 hours, creating a safe working environment and limiting the spread of bacteria on the laptop. Now, we're going to turn on our laptop and talk a little bit about performance. One major point to bear in mind is the operating system. This laptop comes in quite a variety of versions. On your ASUS, you might have the Windows 11 Pro Edition, Windows 11 Pro, Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Home in S mode. To check your OS, just go to Start, then Settings. After we go to Systems, then we scroll down to Information. Our laptop comes with Windows 11 Home in S mode, which has its advantages and disadvantages, even though more disadvantages than advantage. Later in the video or in another video, we'll see how to remove the S mode and leave it at Windows 11 only. Same with the processor. The Vivobook 14 is available with either Core i3, Core i5, or a Core i7 Intel CPU. This here is an i3 processor, 12th generation with 1.2 gigahertz and 8 gigs of RAM. As per storage, this is variable. Yours might come already installed with 128, 256, 512 gigs, or even 1 terabyte Pinnacle SSD. This here comes with a 128 gigs SSD, of which I only have 22 gigs available. I really can't wait to upgrade this laptop. As per network and communication, we have Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, wireless card, etc. Overall, the ASUS Vivobook 14-inch laptop is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of a reliable and stylish laptop. It offers excellent value for the price, and I highly recommend it to students, professionals, or anyone looking for a high-performing, budget-friendly laptop. Some of the most highlighting advantages is its portability. They are light, making it easy to take wherever you travel. The build quality is also decent, but again, don't expect too much. And one of its shortcomings is the slightly dull display, which isn't the best for watching videos, so it's not ideal for multimedia use. Battery life, while decent for the capacity, could have been better. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about the ASUS Vivobook 14-inch laptop. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one.